Hello everyone, welcome back with another new video, mutton paya soup. Nothing other than Aattu Kaal soup in Tamil. For this, into the pressure cooker, I'm adding half a liter of water. I'm gonna add only 2 legs for this, so I have taken half a liter of water. If you're adding 4 legs, you can add 1 liter of water. And for the masalas, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of jeera powder or cumin seed powder, 1 teaspoon of pepper. You can definitely adjust the pepper according to your need. And I've also added 2 onions which is finely chopped and 1 tomato, 5 to 6 cloves of garlic which is crushed and taken. We are not going to add any kind of salt while pressure cooking. Along with this, I'm adding 1 green chilli, few curry leaves and few coriander leaves for the flavor. Also add 1.5 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. This is a very easy one-pot soup dish, but we have to wait at least for 1 hour for the entire essence to come out of the goat's leg. Pressure cook for 1 whistle in high flame and keep it in simmer for around 1 hour completely. And after that, when we open and see, the total essence out of the mutton leg would have come out without adding any amount of oil. You can see so much oil in that soup. So that yummy goat leg soup is ready, mutton paya soup. Don't forget to season the soup with salt and pepper. We have not added any kind of salt here. So at the end, you can add salt, pepper, if needed, coriander leaves also. If you have some doubts in the ingredients list, you can definitely check out my description box for the ingredients list, which is detailedly given. And also try this at home and tell me how did this turn out to be in the comment section. Also suggest me for more recipes. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe the channel and follow me on Instagram, Telegram, Facebook and Pinterest. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.